Hello folks, my name's Dave Schulke and I'm Jim Schulke. We're with the Twin Home Experts. Welcome to our 2 Hack Tuesday, where we provide you 2 hacks every Tuesday, making your life a little easier. Welcome back to our 2 Hack Tuesday, and today we're going to go ahead and show you how to apply Teflon tape a lot easier, especially in those hard to get places. And I'm going to show you how to use a hammer and a sponge to protect those walls. Alright folks, so here's the Teflon tape. Let's just say you wanted to go ahead and seal this off here. Look at how bulky it is. You got to get it around. It's hard to turn. So what you're going to do to make life a little easier is all you need is a pencil. And what you're going to do is take the pencil and let's see, get it here. There we go. And you're going to spin it. And you want about 8 to 9 turns, just so you have enough. And then go ahead and break it off. Now look at how much smaller that is. So what you're going to do now is bring the Teflon tape all the way around once to grab, there you go, like that. And then all you're going to do is just spin it around. Just like that. Well folks, there you have it. Let's go check out my brother Jim. Thanks Dave. My hack's going to be a little bit better. It's hammer time. So here we go. Anytime you have a fresh painted wall or a beautiful painted wall, you've got a nail that you want to take out and you do it and it scratches that wall, well, simple sponge will protect it. What you want to do is place the sponge directly below the nail, take your hammer, hit it on the wall, the nail there, and just simply go down. There you have it. Fresh paint stays the same. Hello folks, thanks for hanging out with us on our 2 Hack Tuesday. If we can help you hack your life, please comment down below. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.